Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and today I have 50 professional business card design templates. These files in PSD with different CMY click colors. So let's start it. First I show you some designs. Here is just front and back. You can change color or write your any text. Screenshot. Wow, you write anything. And here is a screenshot. These files in 4 different color: red, orange, blue and black, so you can change it. Here is business card in 4 color, and this card is specially photography. You see, you can import your own photo here. And this for, I think, food, for restaurant, hotel, or you can use anywhere. American, Mexico, Thai and Chinese food, so you can write your own Larry biryani if you write. Okay, and back here is more for food. You can import your own food dish or photos and write your text. Wow, this card with images, snap photo, amazing. You will write your own photo here. Wow. So let's start it first in drag to Photoshop. We need fonts, but don't worry, you can find out on web. Die cut, here is die cut option, and here is bleed, you see. Okay, contact detail, you write here contact detail, and these are icons. For example, we need font Neoxyl light. Okay, change it. My city is Jhelum, Pakistan, and my number is +92, country code 31415143 is my WhatsApp number. You can contact for any issue. And here is my website, the sheri@gmail.com. Here is my Gmail, and website is www.thesheri.com. Okay, see you creator. Okay, I remain grapher Sheri Mughal, 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 and I'm not CEO creative, I'm graphic designer. Okay, and finally we change any image like this, delete it, and import. I'm sorry for background noises, I'm at home and I'm wheelchair. I tell you just for example, you see. Okay, and import your photo here. Just import any photo, for example, and click create clipping mask, drag there, and right click create clipping mask, adjust in circle. Okay, and last is background color, depend your own choice, or you can apply Grandtrans overlay. I think this color is better. So these files in CMYK color are printable. Okay, and here is background. You can do easily change background picture and write your own content or your detail, boosting your business. Okay, sign 2020. Drag there, just change background. Wow, Control Shift L for auto leveling, and here is layer opacity up down. For example, import any other photo, high definition photo like this. These files are 2000. Okay, then drag there. No, right click create clipping mask. You see, or you can make more beautiful. Create a photographer, change color like this color, her lips color. Oh, okay, write your any name, create a photographer or your designation here, like photographer, videographer, or freelancer, depend your choice or your designation. Okay, and my last file of this especially for contact servers like helpline, and here is your SEO business card. Any other like this, just leave and write your own text. So drag this file. Firstly, you can change background color, and you can change image one by one. I know you can do better, and I hope this data useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.